Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make all of the images have same duration on Filmora. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have imported some images to my Filmora project and I'm going to apply same duration to all of these images. And I'm going to change the duration of all these images at once. So first of all guys, if we want to apply same duration, we can select all the images we have like this, and then we're going to click on this icon after all the images have been selected, and then here we can choose duration. Okay, and then the current input duration is 5 seconds, and I'm going to change it to for example 3 seconds. Okay, and don't forget to click on save. Alright, and now all the images have 3 durations. Okay, that's the easy, right? You just need to select all the images you have, and then you can apply duration to the image. Okay guys, and that's all the way to set all images have same duration on Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.